welcome back to Chemistry 101 with your teacher, Mr. Tsao. As our routine, first you will greet me and go to your assigned seat with your name tag on it. Second, you're going to take the do now from my table on the way, put away your book bag and take a pencil. Third, you're going to start your do now silently, independently. Give me a thumbs up, everyone. Good. Good morning, Ms. Mark.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ms. I see Ms. Rivers sitting down, and Ms. Vargas is starting the do now. How's your company? All right, thanks for being here. Good morning, Ms. I see everyone has been seated. You have 2 more minutes to complete the do now. I see Ms. Talina is doing number 2 already. I see Ms. River is almost done with the do now. Mr. Tsao. Excellent, excellent. Ms. Marcus, I like the way you picked this number, and I like to hear how you derive this later. Ms. Vargas is done. Excellent. All right, class, you have 10 more seconds. I see Mr. Tsao is almost done with the do now. Ms. River is already finished. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All eyes on me. Pens down. All right. So now we're going to go over the do now. I'm going to call someone. When I call your name, please read the question and provide your answer. Ms. Rivers?
Yes. Question number 1. How many different colors are there in the periodic table above? Does element with the same color have similar properties? And can you name one of the properties metal has?
Class, just a reminder, we have to respect another person when she or he is talking. One mic. Thank you.
Thank you.
You may continue.
Thank you. There are 3 different colors. And does the elements with the same color have similar properties? I say yes, because they're
Excellent.
the same color.
Excellent.
And then one property a metal has, I said that it's lustrous.
Excellent. Does everyone have the same answer as Ms. Rivers? Yes. Yes. Lustrous means it's shiny. You're welcome. Class, write down your answer if you don't have the same as Ms. Rivers. Ms. Talina, would you do number 2 for us?
True or false, all elements in the periodic table are grouped into metals, nonmetals, and semi-metals. I said true because there's 3 colors.
That's correct. So, we're going to do the last one all together, which is a matching. May I have a volunteer to help me out with the first one? Ms. Vargas?
The metal is the picture in the middle. I think that's aluminum.
Excellent, excellent. Can you give me an example of aluminum's property?
Shiny.
Excellent. Mr. Tsao, can you help us with the second one? Ms. River, would you like to help?
I'm assuming that's coal, and coal is like a derivative of carbon. And carbon is on the right.
So coal will be a non-metal.
Excellent, Mr. Tsao. Joe, would you help us out with the number 3?
Yeah, number 3 is a semi-metal, the first picture.
Excellent, excellent.
And I believe it's because it's half luxurious, half shiny.
Yes, it's actually in between. Yes, Ms. Vargas?
Can you go to the bathroom?
All right, class. I'm going to give you an overview of today's lesson. Last week, we talked about how periodic table originated. This week, we're going to learn different categories of how each element is categorized. Can you all please take your interactive handout? Ms. Talina, would you read the objective for us?
Yes. The objective is students will be able to predict whether an element is a metal, non-metal, semi-metal by locating its position in the periodic table.
Excellent. So, as you all know, all our elements are categorized into 3 different groups: metal, non-metal, and semi-metals. The first group, metal, has very special property, such as lustrous, just as Joe mentioned before, shiny, and it's also malleable and ductile. I will explain those too. Imagine if you have ever played with clay before. You can press it and pull it into a thin wire of clay, or you can compress it. Metal is a good analogy of clay. And another property of metal is that metal is a good conductor of electricity and heat. That's why we don't put metal into our electric outlet.
And time. Alright, so here's what I'm gonna ask. We're just gonna meet one more time. Anything that you don't want that you're throwing out, just push it all into the center of the table and take down any charts that you're not using. Want to get you down